Hi, I'm Srishti, and this is Srishti Comics. I used to make comics, and I think I'm funny. So, in today's news, I got three pimples, and डॉक्टर का सेटअप है भी इसीलिए बिकॉज आई वॉज गोना पुट अप अ मास्क लेकिन मेरे को कैमरा पे मेरे को ही नहीं दिख रहा तो आपको कैसे दिखेगा अगर आपको दिख रहा है और आपको लग रहा है कि कोई ट्रायंगल शेप में कॉन्स्टलेशन होता है तो आप मुझे प्लीज मत बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में थोड़ा सा तो ईगो रहने दीजिए मुझ में सो इन अदर न्यूज I would like to speak about monster people. Monster people is a term I came up with a few years ago when I figured out there's some people that inherently lack empathy and they enjoy making other people miserable. Now, I think everybody knows people like that. And I don't mean and we also think we could be those people. Some of you watching this video are also probably one of those people. But purposely making people sad, even though you have a choice of not to make them sad, not to make them miserable in every waking moment of their life, is what makes you human. आई डू अंडरस्टैंड कि सब लोग भगवान राम नहीं बन सकते भगवान राम तो भगवान राम ही है बट इंसान तो सब छी इंसान मानव नो let's just stick to human right now. I'll find a better word someday. So there's a little bit humanity, basic courtesy, basic decency that people have to not ruin people's moment in every waking moment of theirs, especially when you have a choice of not to. And I do understand there are moments in which you have to ruin everything of somebody else's just to stand up for yourself. Because अपनी self respect भी कुछ होती है. And in that moment, you're not the monster person. You're the hero who stood up against the monster. You're Hercules and you've defeated Medusa. Who was the Mahishasur sort of evil against Hercules? I don't care. मुझे थोड़ी ना एग्जाम लिखना है उसका बढ़िया also not all people that look like monsters are monsters and not all people who look like heroes are heroes now such a nice transition no so today's doll is Frankie from Monster High. She is the daughter of Frankenstein's monsters. Frankenstein monsters. She's the daughter of Frankenstein monster. So why her? Because see, although Barbie is my main USP, I like buying other dolls of other brands as well. Because so that Barbie would have a better closet, according to me at least. I'm trying to expand her closet. अपने नाइट सूट पहन के घूमती हूँ बट बारबी को अच्छा क्लोजेट देंगे see in case of Barbie you can give her Skipper's clothes as well and Skipper can also vice versa wear her clothes. Then there are other lines that fit Barbie's standard because everybody is a basic 12-inch doll. And then in case of smaller dolls like the Chelsea doll, right here she is wearing actually Kelly's clothes. This Kelly range is not available anymore. Kelly in India. बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन था वो बारबी इन इंडिया थोड़ा सा स्टीरियोटिपिकल रहा होगा। नहीं नहीं, अभी जो निकला है उससे कम स्टीरियोटिपिकल था। नो नो, असली कंटेंट बाद में बेकार गॉसिप करेंगे। So like this is the Chelsea doll. She could, and this is the Kelly doll. Now the Kelly doll is wearing a Chelsea's outfit, I think. Yeah, she's wearing a Chelsea's outfit. That's what they have exchanged outfits. And for example, this is a toddler doll. A Chelsea, a Kelly can also fit into a toddler's doll, and even a baby Barbie can also fit into a, what's this? In a, this is, she's wearing a toddler's outfit. Which toddler's outfit, especially this toddler's outfit? This toddler is actually wearing a Chelsea's dress. And there's also one more that would fit into this arena. The Slovenian family, or Calico Critters. They also, इसका ड्रेस बहुत सुंदर है, इसके बारे में बाद में करेंगे, इसका कपड़ा अच्छा है, इसके बारे में मैं रिव्यू बाद में करूंगी. But yeah, this would also fit a Kelly or a Chelsea or a baby doll. Okay, but बेचारी स्टेसी, उसका क्या, उसको वो सिर्फ, और देर आर नॉट इवन स्टेसी एंड फ्रेंड्स अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. आई थिंक Skipper has friends, they can share clothes. There's petite Barbie who would fit the Barbie, no, Chelsea, no, Skipper's genre. बट स्टेसी का क्या, कौन है स्टेसी? स्टेसी उसकी बहन है, इसका मैं बाद में रिव्यू करूंगी. फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में जब बात करेंगे ना तब बताऊंगी मैं इसके बारे में. So we'll come back to Frankie. The thing is, the basic size, although she's a 12-inch doll, the basic sizing of her torso is the same as a Stacy doll. That's why I bought one to see if it's a good match or not. Because the thing is, Monster High dolls are very well made. Their clothing is very, matlab, their quality is better than Barbie. मत बताना मेटल को कि मैंने ऐसा, मेटल क्या होता है, मेटल को नहीं बताना, बोल देना. वो लोग को भी सब लोग बोल रहे हैं थोड़ा तो अच्छा कपड़ा बनाओ. प्लास्टिक का कौन बनाता है डॉल का कपड़ा? ये मतलब, अरे ये रॉक स्टार है, इसके कपड़े चलते हैं थोड़ा लेदरी फिनिश में. ओके, कमिंग बैक टू द डॉल. So she has a headband and she has those bolts in her for earrings. उसी ने तो प्लग इन करके उसमें जान डाली थी फ्रैंकेनस्टाइन ने. So there's this classic Frankenstein hair with a little bit of color because है तो बेटी ना, बाप के जैसे थोड़ी होगी पूरा. माँ पे जाती है बेटियां, सिर्फ हरकतें पापा पे जाती हैं. So she's also wearing this bracelet. उसके लिए उसका हाथ निकालना पड़ता है. She also has this ring that's got Zap written on it, and then there's this fancy little leather looking outfit. And then there's this jewelry, and then there's torso jewelry. जैसे मैं ये सब एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ ना, you wouldn't be able to tell I have a bachelor's in fashion design. वो भी वो क्या बोलते हैं, बैचलर्स इन आर्ट्स डिजाइन ऑनर्स वाला नहीं, प्रॉपर बैचलर्स इन डिजाइन फैशन डिजाइन, 4 साल वाला कोर्स की हूँ मैं. Okay, so this element that I really like. There's this element of hers that I really liked. ये मैं दूसरे outfits में भी use करूँगी. I rip apart clothes and then I just mix and match everything. But this top and these shorts are really nice. Frankie also comes with a lot. अच्छा वो मैं पहले बोल दी कि मैं नहीं बोली. I don't remember that this is a Gen Z नहीं, sorry, Gen 3, third gen Monster High doll. She has a prosthetic leg. That's why I think she's a Gen 3, because the first two generations did not have a prosthetic leg. She just had regular stitches on her legs. If I've not said that, I'm repeating it again. And she is this fantastic keytar. And let's see her accessories. Just look all the accessories that come with her. So there's a bag. Now this bag has this section here. For that, there's a picture that she has with her friends. There's Draculaura and Claudine in it. You can just place that picture here. I don't know who would do that, but they made it so cute, maybe. I don't know. It comes with a drink. There's a water droplets. It's probably supposed to be water, but do monsters drink water? Probably do. And she has a coffin shaped phone. This comb with which you cannot comb her hair. Snacks. Abhi, probably candy. Now, this is fancy again. This is supposed to be hairspray and it opens. Oh, right, even the bottle opens. So that's fancy again. And there's a blow dryer and there's a handheld mirror. And there are two clips that you could put in her hair. You know, I'm going to use all of this with Barbie. So while I could have paused this and then put it on Chelsea and then talk to you about monster people, I'll probably do that. Yeah, the hands are very small. I'd probably need a Stacy who has removable hands. Only then I could fit this into her. Or else if I cut her up, would that be worth it? Maybe not. But there are other dolls. और अगर इसके शॉर्ट फिट हो जाएंगे तो मैं दो चार दूसरे डॉल्स ले लूंगी. बारबी के टॉप पहना दूंगी उसको मैं, और बॉटम्स में दूसरी डॉल्स का. there's Cleo Denial, there's Claudine, there's Draculaura, there's Golia. There's a lot of them. मैं किसी के भी कपड़े इसको पहना सकती हूँ. There's also Wednesday and Wednesday की जो वुल्फ वाली दोस्त थी. 3 साल हो गए मेरे को देख रहे हैं, मेरे को याद नहीं उसका नाम. And the Monster High dolls have a good articulation. I could even swap their heads if I wanted to, or else I would keep. I'm not gonna swap their heads. I'll buy the Wednesday doll and then use her as Chelsea. Sorry, Stacy. Same difference. याद थोड़ी रहता है मेरे को किसी का नाम. So, monster people gossip. In the last video, I was talking about how एक औरत मेरे को अजीब लग गई थी. And maybe when if this whole YouTube thing goes viral, people will be like, हाँ हाँ आप तो लड़की है ना, आपको लड़कों की मम्मी तो अजीब ही लगेगी. सच है ये. नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है। हाँ, मुझे नॉर्मली लोग अजीब ऐसे ही नहीं लगते। मेरे रिश्तेदार नहीं हो तो मुझे तुम अजीब नहीं लगोगे। बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग हूँ मैं, अनलेस इट कम्स टू माय रिलेटिव्स। उनको भी, क्योंकि मैंने उन्हें बहुत समझने की कोशिश की, वो नहीं है समझने लायक। Uh, but that lady, apart from the things she said to me and everything else, what I actually thought was weird about her, that the child she came up with, the Peppa Pig kid, uh, she dropped a glass. She was dancing around and she dropped a glass, and then उससे कुछ नहीं होता, हम लोग साफ करवा दिए थे, एंड आई वाज लिटिल अपसेट बिकॉज वो ग्लास मैंने खरीदा था, एंड आई वाज वेरी stereotypical woman like upset later because she said something to me very disturbing. उसके बाद मैं वो ग्लास के लिए बहुत अपसेट हो गई थी. She says to me कि तुम्हारी गलती है, तुम्हें ध्यान रखना चाहिए था, ये तो ऐसे ही करती है, जैसे मैं ध्यान रखती हूँ वैसे तुम्हें भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. वो बच्ची मेरी कौन लगती है जो मैं उसका ध्यान रखूंगी? But apart from that, uh, she was a Hindi teacher, this woman, and kudos to her. It's actually, इसमें कोई मजाक नहीं है. हिंदी पढ़ाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, एंड सिर्फ हिंदी नहीं, कोई भी लैंग्वेज पढ़ाना बहुत मुश्किल. पहले तो सीखना मुश्किल होता है और उसके बाद सिखाना उससे ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है. But that's also not the main part. This lady tells me they have alumni students that consume गुटखा, एंड इन ये लोग अपसेट थे कि वो उनके पाँव क्यों नहीं छू रहे हैं. बेटा, गुटखा खाने वाले बच्चों को देख के हम डर के भाग जाते हैं, आप उनसे पैर छुआने के लिए मरे जा रहे हो. दैट इज वियर्ड. आई थिंक पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट इज वियर्ड. गुटखा खाना इज नॉट नॉर्मल, एंड गुटखा खाने वाले लोगों से पैर छुआना या उनके पैर छूना इज नॉट नॉर्मल. प्लीज नॉर्मलाइज दैट. uh, but yeah, also she lacked sympathy towards her older daughter who had been injured in the spinal cord, and she was laughing about it. I found that also very weird कि जो अपने बच्चों पे हंस रही है वो बहू को कैसी रखेगी. And yeah, इतना ही था. They were not that inspiring people कि मैं हर डिटेल याद रखूं. Yeah. There's this other story about this other chick. She was when I was teaching. See, that's why I respect teachers. I don't actually. uh, when I was teaching fashion at the college I graduated from. They also had a kids course, and in that I was helping out this lady who was my boss there. और उसकी शादी हो रही थी. So there was this one, like she had handed over that department to me. There were other people also there, but she trusted me most क्योंकि hashtag काम संभाल लेती मैं लोगों का. So she handed the work to me, and I don't think she was monstrous in this situation because of what she did. But if you saw her repeated pattern, this would be the most monstrous thing. There's coded messaging I'm giving in this that is apt with the news. What do you see? हम तो डरपोक हैं. तो कोडेड मैसेजिंग ही देंगे. That's why I'm using this story. I don't care much about that chick. क्या ही टॉर्चर कर लेगा मेरे को कोई. But yeah, so she was getting married, and all of February I had worked. I had not taken Sundays off because I was teaching on Sundays. I was taking classes on Sundays, so मेरा पूरा Sunday बर्बाद होता है. तो obviously they should have compensated me for that. And I told her this. So I should have gotten 5 days of vacation added to my this thing. And I was very this thing. I thought college छोड़ के ये लोग के साथ अच्छे से join कर लेंगे. But life wants other things. So I tell her that I've taught all month. I've not taken a single leave. I should get that compensated. She's like, I can't give you 5 comp offs. I am like, huh? And she tells me, the most I can do is 2. I'm like, तू रख अपने पास. तू अपने 2 comp offs भी रख. नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. उसके बाद मैं घर जाके रेजिग्नेशन लिखती. रेजिग्नेशन लिखना बहुत आसान होता है. बहुत आसान होता है. I'm telling you. I think because schools में पढ़ाते रेजिग्नेशन नहीं पढ़ाते, रेज्यूमे पढ़ाते हैं, सीवी पढ़ाते हैं, डायरी एंट्री पढ़ाते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, प्रिंसिपल को लेटर लिखो कि फीस माफ कर देंगे. न जाने क्या क्या, पोस्ट कार्ड, ईमेल, हम लोग को तो न जाने क्या क्या सिखाया. स्कूल में रेजिग्नेशन नहीं सिखाते. आई थिंक इसलिए ओल्डर जनरेशन को ठीक से आता नहीं है लिखना. बहुत आसान होता है. ऊपर रेजिग्नेशन लिखो, नाम लिखो, 2 किसको लिख रहे हैं वो लिखो, फिर लिख दो मैं रिजाइन कर रही हूँ, नोटिस पीरियड ये दिन से ये दिन समझ लो, मैं वो दिन से नहीं आऊंगी. इतना ईगो तो रखो. मुंह पे फेंको लोगों के रेजिग्नेशन. एंड रेजिग्नेशन जब मैं उसके मुंह पे मारी, ईमेल करी थी मैं, मुंह पे तो नहीं मारी मैं उसको. आई थॉट वो लोग वो मांगेंगे, क्या बोलते हैं, हार्ड कॉपी. साइन वाइन करके ले गई थी मैं. हाँ. नहीं, वो लोग में से मैं ईमेल पे भेजी. शी वाज लाइक, शी आस्क्ड मी व्हाई, एंड फिर मैं और बेशरम मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ. नहीं पता. अरे तुमको इतना तो, ये क्या हुआ, ये क्यों, कहाँ चला गया ईगो तुम्हारा. जितने ईगो में तुमने लिख दिया था उतने ईगो में उसको बता भी देती. नहीं, मैंने नोटिस पीरियड भी सिर्फ इसलिए सर्व किया बिकॉज वो बैच शुरू हो गया था और बच्चे थे, उनको पढ़ाना था, तो मैं पढ़ा के निकली. आई डिडंट गो लाइक तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है, मैं नहीं पढ़ा दी तुमको. बढ़िया. In other news, in next week's video, I'm gonna show this doll because I have the doll. I was like, I saw no, I did not see anything. AI told me, I was speaking to Gemini about some problem I had, and Gemini recommended me this book. Then I saw ki ye movie ke, this book has a movie made on it, and in the movie there's the actor, जिसका doll मेरे पास है. Then I realized I have Ryan Gosling as well. So this is next week's review doll. And उसके बाद maybe I'll review the Notebook. I also made a dollhouse inspired from बाकी बातें बाद में. आज का हो गया. बहुत बोल ली मैं आज. Bye.